Hi, this is amazing. Can't right? Well, I I truly believe in giving thanks. Right? Give thanks everything you do. And therefore I create a gratitude card. Right? And I have a code right there, and I have a signature as well. Right? So now, if I like, I want to change a different signature, right? And maybe this, right? And or maybe I just put two, right? So it really depends on what signature you like, right? So kind of creative, right? And of course, you can use it for formal letter, right? Now let's head to what is really going on, right? How do we do that, right? Let's go to the formulas, and click on name manager, right? Basically, we created a name cell with this index match functions, right? So right here, there is these match functions, and we just pick up these things. So I'll just copy this thing right here and paste it here to give you an explanations, right? Um, okay, so we have um, we have this index function right here in the functions, and then we combine with the match functions, right? The match functions will tells you which signature positions should we get, and then from here we'll pick up that and we'll transfer to here. Okay, so we're gonna take this out, right? So assuming you already created these, right? You put the picture right here, right in the boxes, right? And put 1 2 3 4 5. And here's the selections, and now what you do is that you head to formulas, go to name manager, right? And I'll just delete this, right? Delete this. I click a new one. Yeah, I just put there as my selected signature. And right here, I'm going to type index function. I'm selecting this. Okay, just one row. And since we don't select any rows, right, we are selecting these, right? So I want to select the picture based on whatever I show here. So I would match function right here. So click on this cell here, comma, selecting this, and exactly match, right? And click OK. And you can see that right now it's picking up this, but want to put it right into this. So close it. Next, I'm going to copy this cell right now. It's selecting the cell, right? Then go to home, choose paste, select an area, and you choose paste links picture right there. And I'll just move here, okay? And over here, replace it with my selected signature equal, and you can see that right here. Now I just change it to 2, right? You can see this 1, right? Ha, so interesting, right? Yeah, I mean, this is really amazing, right? Excel can do wonders. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, right? And remember, right? Think amazing, believe amazing, and you can achieve amazing things. Thank you.